Download the Jubilee Active app now. अपने सोए सेल्फ को जगाओ.
Introducing Pakistan's first and only end-to-end motor insurance app. It's My Jubilee app. कार इंश्योरेंस का कोट लेना हो या बाइक का क्लेम फाइल करना हो, it's just a tap on the go. Say no to long phone calls or confusing paperwork. Insure your vehicle with My Jubilee app. तो फिर वेट नहीं करो. टैप करो, इंश्योर करो. Download My Jubilee app now. PSO has been a pioneering force in redefining the energy landscape of Pakistan by powering the land, sea and air for more than 4 decades. PSO, being the largest energy company in the country, has always been focused on strategic integration of technology and alternative energy sources to pave the way for a greener and more environmentally conscious nation. PSO has also diversified its strategic investments in order to capitalize on opportunities in an ever-evolving energy landscape. These include joint installation of marketing companies, New Islamabad International Airport, Asia Petroleum Limited, Park Grease Manufacturing Company Limited, and Park Arab Pipeline Company. As a market leader, PSO holds the largest portion of Pakistan's downstream oil sector. Our core operations encompass the procurement, both imports and local sourcing, storage and marketing of petroleum products, along with the import of regasified liquefied natural gas, RLNG. Our diversified portfolio extends to non-fuel retail and card services as well. With a turnover exceeding rupees 3.5 trillion, $11.6 billion, and a market capitalization surpassing 52 billion rupees, $173 million. PSO stands as the most extensive and well-established energy company in Pakistan, with a network of more than 3,500 retail outlets, 9 installations, 19 depots, refueling facilities at 14 airports and 2 seaports, with a market share of 98% in aviation, 13 LPG storage and bottling facilities, a fleet of more than 10,000 tank lorries, and 2 state-of-the-art lubricant manufacturing facilities, which produce over 70,000 metric tons of global standard lubricants every year for cars, motorcycles, buses, trucks, and industrial equipment. In the fiscal year 2022-2023, PSO efficiently managed 105 cargo ships of essential products, including motor gasoline, high-speed diesel, jet fuel, and furnace oil. Playing a pivotal role in Pakistan's energy landscape, PSO substantially contributes to the energy generated from furnace oil and LNG. Notably, PSO stands as Pakistan's leading importer of LNG, with an annual volume exceeding 6 million tons. PSO represents a significant 49% of Pakistan's storage across OMCs, with a total storage capacity of about 1.14 million tons, catering to over 3 million daily consumers. Our sales volume of fuel stands at approximately 8.5 million tons, securing a notable market share of 50.4%. With a formidable presence in the cards business, PSO's offerings span across fleet and corporate sector, while servicing our core consumer needs through seamless and cashless transactions. Always at the forefront of adapting to technologies and integrating eco-friendly energy solutions with an underlying dedication to sustainable energy practices, PSO is the forerunner in elevating the nation's fuel standards to Euro 5 for motor gasoline and high-speed diesel, while being the pioneers in introducing electric vehicle charging facilities across Pakistan. With a commitment to enhancing customer experience, PSO is continuously seeking innovative ways and adapting to the ever-evolving technological landscape by strengthening the company's digital capabilities in order to minimize human intervention through automation. Some of the initiatives are: PSO has expanded retail automation across touchpoints that enable real-time monitoring, inventory management, sales data and price updates that aid in increasing control, efficiency and day-to-day operations. PSO has widened its web around smart oil terminal integration for state-of-the-art filling, monitoring and safety features. PSO is the first public sector entity to digitize its procurement and invoicing system through SAP Ariba and vendor invoicing management system for increased efficiency and reduced turnaround time for suppliers and business partners. PSO is integrated with Pakistan's largest payment system, OneLink Gateway Services, with 27 banks to ensure its business partners enjoy seamless and hassle-free transfer of funds. PSO has enhanced its transshipment through first-of-its-kind fleet management system for efficient management of tank lorries by adapting to automated queue management system AQMS. Believing in giving back to the people we serve, PSO takes pride in building the society through healthcare, education, environment and community development initiatives. PSO has doubled the efforts by contributing 550 million rupees, approximately $2 million to these causes. PSO steadfastly commits to promoting a more sustainable future by ensuring a harmonious balance between economic growth, environmental preservation, and social well-being.
दोस्त, एक बिरयानी और एक हलीम।
ऑर्डर डबल करना, मेरी ट्रीट।
वाह, आज सब डबल डबल। बड़े पैसे आ रहे हैं।
आए नहीं है, आ जाएंगे। पैसे डबल करने वाली इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी ले रहा हूँ।
भाई डबल बिरयानी तो ठीक है, पैसे डबल होना कुछ हजम नहीं हुआ। इंश्योरेंस से पैसे डबल नहीं सेव होते हैं। झूठे ख्वाब नहीं, इंश्योरेंस चुनो। जुबली लाइफ को फोन लगाओ।
जुबली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, हम न कुछ गलत बताते न कुछ छुपाते हैं, सिर्फ आपकी जरूरत के मुताबिक जिम्मेदाराना मशवरे देते हैं।
इसीलिए इंश्योरेंस सिर्फ जुबली लाइफ से।
इनकी निहारी भी डबल।
मजीद मालूमात के लिए अभी दोस्त लिख के 8554 पर SMS करें। जुबली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, बेफिक्र मुस्तकबिल।
You cannot have rules when you compromise on actions. You cannot have integrity when you compromise on values. You cannot have trust when you compromise on credibility. You cannot have safety when you compromise on caution. You cannot have fairness when you compromise on merit. You cannot have success when you compromise on diligence. You cannot have tomorrow when you compromise on today. 7 uncompromising decades. Pakistan Cables, trusted not to compromise.
सालों से किया है आपके दिलों और किचन पे राज। आपकी मेहनत और हमारा अंदाज बनाए रखता है हर दस्तरख्वान को खास। तो क्यों ना इस रिश्ते को और मजबूत बनाएं? हर खुशी, हर दावत, हर त्योहार साथ मनाएं। Shangri-La Foods, truthfully yours since 1988.
कुकिंग में इनका कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं, पर एक्सपर्ट पापा को इम्प्रेस करना हो तो वही अंदाज अपनाना पड़ता है, वही सीक्रेट्स भी। Shangri-La chili sauce,
Pakistan's #1 liquid seasonings, now in new look.
कुकिंग सबके बस की बात नहीं, पर एक्सपर्ट वाइफ को इम्प्रेस करना हो तो वही अंदाज अपनाना पड़ता है, वही सीक्रेट्स भी। Shangri-La soy sauce,
Pakistan's #1 liquid seasonings, now in new look.
इनको कुकिंग से नहीं सिर्फ खाने से मतलब है, पर एक्सपर्ट मॉम को इम्प्रेस करना हो तो वही अंदाज अपनाना पड़ता है, वही सीक्रेट्स भी। Shangri-La Worcestershire sauce,
Pakistan's #1 liquid seasonings, now in new look.
think about what that person who created that, what he must have thought. And right after that, you can grab your phones again. You don't have to pay the memory.
What we should, as a state of Pakistan, our 80% focus, minimum 80% focus, should be on existing investors.
ये क्या है?
हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस प्लान। तुम भी ले लो, काम आएगा।
जिम में झक नहीं मारता, फिटफाट हूँ, मैं क्यों लूं?
हेलो, बुरा वक्त बताकर नहीं आता। महफूज जिंदगी के लिए लापरवाही नहीं, इंश्योरेंस चुनो। जुबली लाइफ को फोन लगाओ।
जुबली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, हम न कुछ गलत बताते न कुछ छुपाते हैं, सिर्फ आपकी जरूरत के मुताबिक जिम्मेदाराना मशवरे देते हैं।
इसीलिए इंश्योरेंस सिर्फ जुबली लाइफ से।
हुमायूं भाई, एडवाइस ले ली, अब एक सेल्फी भी ले लें।
मजीद मालूमात के लिए अभी दोस्त लिख के 8554 पर SMS करें। जुबली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, बेफिक्र मुस्तकबिल।
तेरा भाई ऐसी बाइक लेने वाला है।
कोई खजाना मिल गया।
बस इंश्योरेंस के 5 साल पूरे हो जाएं, उसमें से मुनाफा भी निकाल लूंगा और पॉलिसी भी चलती रहेगी।
क्या दोस्त, फल लगा नहीं तोड़ लिया? जरा पकने तो दो यार। इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी का सही फायदा लॉन्ग टर्म में, थोड़ा मुनाफा नहीं, इंश्योरेंस चुनो। जुबली लाइफ को फोन लगाओ।
जुबली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, हम न कुछ गलत बताते न कुछ छुपाते हैं, सिर्फ आपकी जरूरत के मुताबिक जिम्मेदाराना मशवरे देते हैं।
इसीलिए इंश्योरेंस सिर्फ जुबली लाइफ से। चले राइट पर।
मजीद मालूमात के लिए अभी दोस्त लिख के 8554 पर SMS करें। जुबली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, बेफिक्र मुस्तकबिल।